बेस्ट है ना?
Best, simple and outstanding. It has more of a lemony flavor.
Citrusy.
more
It's a
citrusy.
cocktail. And there used to be one table जहाँ पे सिर्फ एक आदमी बैठा हुआ था जो अपने गमे शाम को I don't know what to say after that.
शामे गम को जाम में डुबा रहा होता था.
और हर डिश में और हर कॉकटेल में इंडिया का एसेंस है, डाइव बार का एसेंस है, एक कल्चरल फील है.
Super curious why Mohit has called for dal fry without rice.
I will tell you. यहाँ पे ना the chef is not saying कि इसको ऐसे खाओ, इसको ऐसे खाओ. They've created dishes के जो मर्जी है वैसे खाओ. अर्ली 80s में बॉम्बे में क्राइम के साथ एक और कल्चर का इजाद हुआ था या बॉर्न हुआ था. There was one more culture that was born in Mumbai or erstwhile Bombay, that was dive bars.
एंड डाइव बार्स मतलब आप कुछ पिएंगे जरूर लेकिन उससे बट मोर इम्पोर्टेंट है आप खाते क्या हैं.
So this episode, ये video is all about दारू and chakna and how it's evolved over the years. Let's go. अरे ये मेन्यू रहने तो अपने को पता है ऑर्डर. एक तो क्रिस्पी चिकन, बॉइल्ड पीनट, शेजवान चकली,
मसाला पापड़.
मसाला पापड़ और एक घी रोस्ट भी कर दो. एक ब्लेंडर्स, कोक और पानी और एक
ओल्ड मॉन्क विद थम्स अप.
60 ml, of course. We'll serve the lady first.
थैंक यू.
I will tell you why I'm doing this.
आई एम वेटिंग पेशेंटली.
Cheers.
Cheers to old times से.
Absolutely. So back in the 20s when जब whiskey पीना शुरू किया था, whiskey तभी कड़वी लगती थी. So just to get used to the taste of whiskey, not just me, a lot of people, a lot of boys used to add a little Coke, थोड़ा Pepsi या थोड़ा सा Thumbs Up,
To just make it palatable.
palatable, हाँ. And then add water. तो color तो वही लगता है. So someone from that table will not know that we are having Coke and pani. It's just pani. Cheers to that. Chakna, chakli and Szechuan sauce.
Says Szechuan chutney.
Szechuan chutney, right.
And this is my favorite side, all-time favorite, which is the boiled chana with the pyaz, tomato and nimbu. But I'm going to start with this because
Yeah. Oh.
this is so fun and unique.
This is the Indian version of a Cuba Libre. You know why it's called Cuba Libre?
I'm sure you're going to educate me.
No, so back in the, I think, American War or the Spanish War, Cuba Libre basically means free Cuba.
Oh, right.
Yes. Cuban rum, Coke and a splash of lime. जिसको हमने थोड़ा बास्टर्डाइज करके ओल्ड मॉन्क, थम्स अप और लाइम डाला है. But it's fine. In spirit, free Cuba.
Still?
Boiled peanuts, boiled chana with some
Pyaz, like a kachumar.
best है ना?
Best, simple and outstanding.
One bite, one sip. So Bandra में काफी सारे dive bars हैं. There is this obviously,
Yeah.
which is called Yacht, Yatich, and many other names, but it's actually yacht. Yacht meaning.
It's spelled yacht, and hence it is yacht.
It is yacht. Yacht meaning.
But because English is a very funny language and you don't pronounce the way you spell, I think yacht is also.
Yacht because you're by the sea, so you're sitting in a yacht and drinking. So these were the two most famous in Bandra. Then Kulaba, Gokul, Dadar mein. So after my shift used to end at times now, and because we both have done media, we know what is
What happens after the shift
after the late
ends.
shift. we used to go to a dive bar called GK, Gopal Krishna. And
In
that,
Lower Parel.
yeah, no, in Dadar. And that used to be open till like 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it still open till 5?
Yes. Okay, आप लोग के घर पे मत करना. This used to be my teens to 21, 22, 23 drinking place. Basically, pre-gaming or pre-drinking used to happen here because sasta alcohol. And it used to be full. Typical Bandaites. They used to be talking, boss, I have to go home early, mom's makes sorpotel, वो कल बनाया है and I have to eat it today. Chicken crispy,
Oh,
the cornerstone of every dive bar.
yeah. I'm actually now thinking we are going to miss the lollipop.
We will. So continuing the story, a lot of Catholic Christian dialect going on. You know, man have to go, what man to be there, and there used to be one table जहाँ पे सिर्फ एक आदमी बैठा हुआ था, जो अपने गमे शाम को I don't know what to say after that.
शामे गम को जाम में डुबा रहा होता था.
शामे गम को जाम में डुबा रहा होता था. Every time there was one guy just sitting there.
But on that note, I want to say this that please only drink if you are of drinking age, and don't listen to Mohit.
This is new. Chicken Kashmiri tikka. What is Kashmiri about it? We will find out. But first,
Yes, this is calling out.
as per tradition,
Oh, I was going to pick up.
not crispy.
No, tasty. This is why we came here.
Yes.
Just this. Spicy, greasy, not very healthy. All disclaimers given. But you'll go home happy.
And there is no scientific combination के इसके साथ ये जाता है, इसके साथ ये
Yeah,
जाता
there's
है.
no pairing as such.
F- it. So, yeah, coming back to the pocket money story. So, one day, Sunny used to pay for the party. One day, Vinay used to pay for the party. And one day, I paid for the party. So, we sort of managed our pocket money in that way.
Okay, I'm going to attack that ghee roast.
I'm going to go back to the...
Chakli.
I love it.
No, actually it is very lovable. Very, very
खा के
lovable.
देखा?
क्या चकली? कब से खा रही हूँ?
शेजवान चटनी.
कब से खा रही हूँ? So this is also something we must mention that these were a lot of the dive bars were started and owned by Shetties. So some dishes have a very clear Shetty touch. So although you may not want to come to a dive bar to eat ghee roast, if you do, try it.
But you must come to eat. Oh, the masala.
Yeah, the masala and the curry patta.
This is a good Mangalorean ghee roast.
And I'm loving this addition of a kaju. The fried crispy kaju.
So generally I feel क्यों हमको ये शेजवान चटनी, कश्मीरी टिक्का या तो घी रोस्ट जैसे स्पाइसी फ्लेवर्स अच्छे लगते हैं because I personally feel it goes well with alcohol. What do you think?
I think a boiled peanut is not a bad combination at
It's
all.
not bad for sure. No.
But once you start drinking, I think in general you just crave to eat something that gives you like a really good zing, something chatpata and something that sets your taste buds on fire. Not to be missed ever.
Masala papad. Masala papad is a late addition to a dive bar. No, you do this.
Wait on. The sprinkle of the chaat masala on the masala papad, so good. I want the green chutney. I think that's a better compliment. So we have dal fry.
Rice नहीं चाहिए.
Huh.
Rice लेके जाओ.
Super curious why Mohit has called for dal fry without rice.
I will tell you.
Okay.
पहले ये खा, तो इसमें दाल है, इसमें शेजवान चटनी है, इसमें लाइम है और इसमें अनियन है और उसको मिक्स किया है और आप खाओ.
And now he's turned my dive bar experience into some sort of fine dine. Or maybe not. खाने के बाद पता चलेगा.
Fun dine for sure. So this is something that I learned in Gopal Krishna GK in Dadar. My Times Now का promos का boss Praveen, he used to do this.
Praveen, if you're still watching this, look what a memorable thing you created. Your creativity went beyond promos.
Actually, we used to call him Patil. Oh, creativity walk. Nice. So he used to do this, and every session of our dive bar, we used to end with this.
मुझे actually हंसी आ रही है ये कहा के.
I don't know. This is an ode to my 20s. So.
So now I just want to do that.
ये नया
This
है.
chakli is meant to be
Dipped.
This chakli is meant to be dunked in every kind of semi-liquid thing on this table. Only not the actual drink.
No, we used to do this.
Really? That's a drunk chakli.
Drunken prawns हो सकता है, drunken chakli भी हो सकता है, हाँ? On that note, we will now
Upgrade. From
Upgrade.
dive, we will emerge.
bus. That's it.
Rise.
We will upgrade, rise,
Okay.
emerge. That's it. Let's go. So we have Chef Niyati. Chef, please take us through the food and the
So-
cocktails.
Surely. So I'm serving some of my favorite dishes and my favorites change every single day. So please take note of that. Let's start with the food. So this one is Tangra Hangover. At Bombay Duck, all of the chaknas, they
Tangra,
are
Calcutta.
Tangra Calcutta.
Pub.
So everything is influenced by different people and their drinking and eating experiences. So Tangra is actually influenced by my stepfather, who is this total Calcutta gymkhana kid. So when they would actually go to the gymkhanas, they would drink when they were like 16, 17.
Colonial Calcutta.
Yeah. And then they would actually go to Tangra at maybe 3 a.m., 4 a.m. in the morning. And they would eat plates of wontons and noodle soup.
Wow.
Somehow, because they were young, they would eat the wontons with more beer, and he still says that that is the best hangover breakfast till date.
Very exciting.
The next one is one of my actual favorites that will never change. It is Spam. So we don't actually get it that much in India, but I love eating this cured tinned pork meat, and many people call it luncheon meat as well. You get it in cans and then people slice it and fry it.
So
And,
cured with salt or oil or just in its own fats?
Yes, in its own fats. Although we've actually made our own Spam in-house and we've cured it and we've done it extremely well.
And
That
I'm
is just
curious
a
why
love.
you call it spam.
So because the company that makes it is Spam. So salted ham. So this one has shoulder. It also has a lot of pork fat in it. We're known to make tasty dishes, happy dishes, not exactly healthy dishes, but it's
That's
okay.
fine.
It's a daru chakna bar.
Absolutely fine.
So let's talk about this one. This is the hot gram. It is our version of the favorite Sindhi dal pakwan because my best friend, she is Sindhi. And in her
Chef, so
house,
am I. So
so in her house on a Sunday, people drink And then
Yeah.
in the evening, her mother will make dal pakwan.
Okay.
And then they'll drink it with more whiskey. And actually, they'll eat it with a lot more whiskey.
Let me guess which whiskey. Chivas Regal.
I don't know, I'll have to ask. Also, it's inspired by different chaknas. Chakna tables always been inspired by having that one dal thing.
Dal, yeah.
Wherein it's a fried dal, it's a moong dal, it's a boiled
just
dal with
This
kanda.
masala
Boiled
dal
dal.
is totally
So yeah,
that.
this one is Zanjanit Kakadi. And it sticks true to its name. So Zanjanit in Marathi means fiery hot or fiery spicy. When people enter, this is one of the dishes that we tell them that you should order first, because I think it really starts them off on a very high note, because
okay.
it's spicy but yet it's balanced, it's lemony, it has that kick, and it goes well with everything. So it's easy for us to recommend this dish and transition people
spicy
slowly.
and daru has a nice
Marry
magic
well.
thing
It
to
has,
yeah.
it's the best combination ever. This one is called YY. So,
the noodles.
yeah, the YY noodles. But I have a lot of friends from the Northeast, and I'm extremely taken and influenced by their cuisine. So, you know, whenever you go to the bars or the thekas, whether it's Nagaland, especially if it's Manipur, they will serve something called Singju or Sadeko.
Okay.
And that is just a mixture of different cuts, vegetables into very thin slices, along with some broken YY noodles, some chanas, and everyone keeps changing the ingredients. Sometimes it's bamboo shoots, sometimes it's a different herb, but there are around
But the
15 to
noodle
60.
remains the same.
The noodle remains the
And
same.
this is kacha.
This is kacha noodles, but that's why they use YY, because YY can be eaten kacha.
Right.
Oh.
YY
It's like
is
a
like
snack.
yeah, it's like a pre-fried noodle, so it's anyways cooked. So it's not kacha technically. Yeah.
इतना अमेजिंग ट्रेलर देखने के बाद कोई फिल्म कैसे नहीं देख सकता है. दिस फूड लुक्स सो गुड. झणझणीत काकड़ी.
Kakadi. Oh. It is Zanjanit. I don't know how you're digesting it.
Because kakadi itself is a little cooling, but the masalas are hot.
Very, very
Yeah,
hot.
fiery.
They've got a thecha feel to it for sure.
It has spicy masala peanuts, and the sauce itself in which the kakadi is smothered, kakadi is cucumber, is also very spicy.
और definitely green chili तो है. Definitely a green chili. Very nice.
बहुत अच्छा.
I'm going to start with the whiskey sauce. Oh,
Like it?
it's very nice.
So when I read what the ingredients in Lallan Tap were, I was actually not excited. So it's going to be an adapted, acquired taste for me. But let's see what that is. It's nice. The color is beautiful though. It was almost fluorescent when it was made.
Oh, the mustard doesn't interfere too much. It just got
At all.
थोड़ा सा hint है. That's it.
It has more of a lemony flavor.
Citrusy.
more
It's a
citrusy.
cocktail. And it's got tequila.
And this is Pahadi. It's beautiful color. Lovely foam on top.
Also, this has got a very distinct sweet flavor which is coming from
Honey garlic.
honey and garlic.
And that leaf that you see is not basil. It's not lime. It is bel patta,
Bel patta.
which we don't usually eat, but it has been nicely cootod.
Muddled.
And-
It's a cocktail.
हिंदी
It's
में भी
been
बोल
muddled.
सकते हैं. कूट के डाला हुआ है.
Yes.
And now we are going for Pahadi,
Pahadi.
which has boranj flower as one of the main ingredients, making it
बुरान
pink.
जो उत्तराखंड में नॉर्मली ग्रो उत्तराखंड में ग्रो होता है नॉर्मली नहीं.
Yes, इसलिए पहाड़ी कहते हैं.
But I am excited about the gin and the tequila in this. Yum.
Amazing. Very different. You can taste the floral infusion so clearly.
Floral infusion and cucumber.
Yes.
The cucumber is one I will teach you now. What cucumber?
Mansplaining.
So basically, what cucumber hydrosol does is that it balances the strong flavor of the tequila and the gin, and it adds the floral and the fruity notes to it.
So इसके बाद खाया क्या जाए? I'm most okay. Spam,
We'll
yes.
go for
Spam
the
is
spam
calling
the-
out.
Cured shoulder cut of the pork.
I just want you to see the base of it.
It's so nice and gooey.
Look how greasy the base is. How can you say no to this?
And it's just breaking easily. Oh my god. Pork cured in its own fat and a little salt and honey.
And lots of butter.
तो जैसे शेफ ने कहा था and picante.
I'm also going to try that. Oof, I'm in love with this meat.
Picante is actually a very clever addition because what it does is honey का जो थोड़ा सा अगर आपको honey बहुत ज़्यादा sweet लगता है have it with the picante. But I don't mind the sweetness of the honey and the pork.
I think you just go for the pork, then go for pork with honey, with the pickle,
Picante.
then go back to the pork. You could go on, it's so delicious.
And then take a sip of a cocktail.
I think everything she said about this is true.
Very clearly this is a दारू and चकना bar. तो the चकना is elevated but आपको वही dive bar की feel आएगी because small plate, small portions rather
And lots of flavors.
and lots of flavors. Exactly. और हर डिश में और हर कॉकटेल में इंडिया का एसेंस है, डाइव बार का एसेंस है, एक कल्चरल फील है.
And now we should go
Okay,
for the
Wonton. This dish goes to, or rather this dish is an ode to Chef Niyati's stepfather.
I am going to go for it. It's so perfect when she said this could be a hangover breakfast. And this tofu in the center, which was honestly I wasn't expecting, because often tofu has an overpowering flavor,
Yeah,
but here it's not there.
because the sauces and the chili oil, it's balanced. और एक बात बताऊँ, ये जो like शेफ को सेकना ये बेयर के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
It's funny how I like what you chose
Of
very
course.
much.
Of course. पीने में क्या है?
And you following him on पीने में क्या है? If you aren't, you're missing something. Where do we go now?
I don't know.
देश के
We'll
किस
go
हिस्से
to-
में जाए? दाल पकवान in a evolved dark bar.
तो शेफ ने कहा कि इसको पूरा मिक्स करके. अरे शाबाश.
So नीचे में बहुत कुछ है.
And I'll tell you what, another reason why I'm loving the food experience over here is कि यहाँ पे ना the chef is not saying कि इसको ऐसे खाओ, इसको ऐसे खाओ. They've created dishes के जो मर्जी है वैसे खाओ.
तो सिंधी को दाल पकवान ऐसे खिलाया जाता
हाय
है.
शाबाश.
What say?
Pickled julienne ginger.
पूरी क्या मसाले डाले हैं इसमें. कमाल है. Honestly मुझे लग नहीं रहा है दाल पकवान है, मगर बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है खा के. Very unique take on the दाल पकवान, but I love it. Now,
Why?
why? ये वो चखना है जो बहुत सारी ठंड में पहाड़ पे बैठ के खाना चाहिए.
उसको तो हाथ में पकड़
100%
के
चखना.
इसको हाथ में पकड़ के
Exactly.
ऐसे करना चाहिए. और साइड में से विस्की.
Oh yeah. But honestly, I am floored by the pork.
I'm floored by the whole experience of what's happening over here. Cocktail experience in India generally is on a rise. This is probably one of the few bars that is doing cocktail which is India first.
Right.
So it's not doing like an Indian version of a Negroni or an Indian version of a, say, a whiskey sour. This is
Right.
just pure Indian
Absolutely.
alcoholic drinks, and they are presenting it first on the.
I mean, the bel patta is definitely proof of that. And I like the description of this one.
Yeah.
It says it's somewhere between your mahua and paua, which is really cute. But in terms of taste, the pahadi is delicious and the whiskey sour is outstanding.
विस्की से आपको मेन्यू पे नहीं मिलेगा.
हाँ.
This is just we've ordered to show you the difference. So time for rating, Prachi. What do you think?
Yes, we are rating the experience this time and not the individual dishes. So I would say it's very, very difficult. Dive
Yes.
bar has its own charm and it has its own nostalgia, and the taste is unbeatable in a dive bar.
And also it is important to have dive bar so that people understand what is an elevated experience.
Also, and also you know how to value two different things if
Definitely,
you taste
definitely.
something amazing at less. For the fun that one can have at the dive bar, I would give Yacht a good 9 on 10, and
Same, yacht will be about 8.5, 9 on 10. Definitely.
Bombay Dark I
Bombay
would
Dark,
give
oh.
9.5. The 5 points are purely for the creativity that the chef and mixologist have put into making this menu and coming up with all these different drinking and chakna experiences and bringing them on one table.
I'll give it a 10 because because I'm loving the cocktail culture of India, and I love the fact that like we said before, you know, it's not inspired cocktails, these are original Indian cocktails. So I'll give it a full 10. And food pairing though
Outstanding.
outstanding, so I'll give it a full 10. And without being diplomatic, I think one should experience both
True.
and rate them yourself. On that high note,
Very high note.
like, share, comment, subscribe. और
आते रहिए, खाते रहिए, पूछते रहिए.
खाने में क्या है, पीने में क्या है, वो भी पूछिए.
हाँ, वो भी पूछिए हाँ, कभी कभी.